State Park. Tide is really up high. And this boat, 80-footer, still here. I don't know whether this is going to make things worse. Mobile sport fishing passes closed for today for obvious reasons. Alright, that's what you see every day. Island Beach State Park. This is past 23 going towards the inlet. I mean, the surf is up really high, all the way up to the dunes. Those two guys there just told me they were part of the salvage crew to get all the diesel fuel off the vessel, which they've done in the tanks. Supposedly they called a mayday in the middle of the day, a couple days ago. I'm not sure what happened. The vessel must have just lost power. But not every day you see a 80-foot. I don't know what this is. I'm not a fisherman, a troller, whatever the hell it is, sitting on the beach at Island Beach State Park. They said this really high tide is not helping things, to say the least. Push this thing to the dunes. I was told by some locals that due to maritime law that the captain and some of the crew are still on board. It seems there's some regulation regarding if they leave, they could lose the rights to their ship or maybe the contents inside. I'm not quite sure how that works, but pretty interesting nonetheless.